Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys what I got in this month's BoxyCharm. May, is that what month we're in? May's BoxyCharm. I swear, like, I'm not very good with times. So if you guys want to see what I got in my BoxyCharm, then let's just jump right into it. Okay guys, for those of you guys who don't know what BoxyCharm is, it's a monthly subscription. It's $21 a month and you get 5 full-size products. They're usually on the high-end side. So when you first open the box, you get a card, and I believe, okay, so they redid this little thing, but it still shows all the products and all the prices on it. So while I show you all the products that I got in the box, I'll also be telling you guys how much they are, and at the very end, I'll tell you guys how much it all comes together. So I'm gonna start reaching into the box. I'm excited. It looks like I got a good box this month, and this is really cute. Okay. So I'm going to pull out the first thing that I see in here. Obviously, it's the matte lip gloss. So it says on here, this is the matte lip gloss. It says BoxyCharm on it, but it also says by Beauty Creations. So on here, it says that it is $10. So that's not that much, but we'll see what I think when I open this up. It's a really pretty mauve tone. Oh, it smells good. It says long wearing matte lip gloss. So we get a little swatch right here. And oh, that is such a pretty color. So pretty. Smells so good. Sorry, I feel like I'm so far back here, but I'm like trying to be all cozy. This is a really good smell. Next is this. This is what I also noticed in here. It's a blurring primer and it's by CoverFX. I'm so excited because I've heard so many good things about CoverFX and it's very high end. So this is $38 for this blurring primer. I'm most excited about the blurring part. I would have been excited regardless if it was primer or anything CoverFX, but the fact that it's blurring makes me so excited because my T-zone is always super like textured, or either I've got some really bad crevices. Oh, it's nice. So then, let's see what else. Oh, I got a lot of stuff in this box. Okay, so then I got a little package of, it looks like an eyebrow set. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, is this what I think it is? Or is this an eyeliner set? It's an eyeliner set. Okay, so this is the Pretty Vulgar, the Ink Gel Eyeliner. So it's $24. And this highly pigmented gel eyeliner provides quick drying application with enriched vitamin C to condition the lids. Its creamy and watery resistant formula allows for smooth application that stays in place all day. So then it comes with its little kit, and hey, I'm excited about this cake. Let me see if I can open this. So there's 3 brushes. It looks like one, oh, so these are their own thing. Oh my gosh. 3-piece eye trio. This is $45 right here. So this has nothing to really even do with the eyeliner. They just sent it so that the eyeliner could have brushes to go with it. This is really cute. Like, super high quality. It's glass and it's just super cute. So then these brushes look like they would typically go with it, and this is going to be amazing. I'm so excited to try a wing. But I'm going to go ahead and dip this in because I really, that is so creamy. Wow, okay. Let's see if I can get a good little swatch for you guys. Wow. I'm so excited. Okay. How many times can I say I'm so excited in a video? That's the real question. I swear I say it all the time and everybody always calls me out on it. Okay, so then this is next. Those were $48. That was $24. Okay, we're well over the $21 price range. This is the P12 Face Brush by Aesthetica, and I could never get enough of these. Oh my gosh. With synthetic fibers that allows for maximum control, the P12 face brush is perfect for creating seamless looks. Ooh, I'm excited. It's a really soft brush. The last thing in this box looks to me like it's going to be an eyeshadow palette. Let's see on here. Sculptor palette by Pure. Oh, guys, it's the problem. Your girl loves Pure. So I'm assuming if it says Sculptor, it's going to be either highlighter or contour shades. So on here it says $30. If we can open it. Oh, the sides have something on it. So I've got to open this up right here. If I can. Oh my. Okay, grand reveal. Let's see what I think. Woo! I'm always so excited about Pure stuff because their stuff is so good. I can already tell. Okay, for real. Let's be honest. Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. So excited. Okay. Okay, now those are the highlighters in the Pure palette. And those are the two bronzers in the palette. So pigmented. Okay, so there's two highlighter shades and then two bronzer shades. Obviously, I probably will not use this bottom shade right there because it looks a little dark. So does the top one, but we can make it work. So I'm really excited about that. Okay, guys, how much do you want to guess that this box added up to? It added up to $174. That is crazy for all these products, and you only spend $21. BoxyCharm, I love you so much. I always get so excited for my BoxyCharm every single month. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video.